In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Asana board backgrounds mirror your default account theme settings. If you've noticed that your Asana boards follow a certain light or dark appearance, that's because board backgrounds are tied directly to your account's display theme. So if you want to change how your boards look overall, you won't do it from inside each individual board. Instead, you'll update the setting from your account preferences, and that change will apply across all boards automatically. To get started, look to the upper right corner of your Asana window and click your profile avatar. This opens the account menu where you can access personal settings and workspace preferences. From that menu, select Settings. This is the main area where Asana lets you control how the platform looks and behaves for your account. Once the settings window opens, navigate to the Display tab. This section contains the appearance options that affect your viewing experience throughout Asana. If your goal is to adjust board background styling, this is the place you need. Inside the Display tab, you'll see theme options that let you choose how Asana appears on screen. You can select light if you prefer a brighter interface, dark if you want a darker background that may feel easier on the eyes, or sync with system if you want Asana to automatically match your device's current appearance settings. That last option is especially useful if your computer switches between light mode and dark mode during the day, because Asana will follow along without requiring any extra changes from you. After you choose the theme you want, the background style across all of your Asana boards will update to match that selection. This means the board appearance is controlled globally by your account theme, rather than customized one board at a time. That can save time and keep your experience consistent across different projects. If you're making this change for comfort, readability, or visual preference, it's a good idea to try each setting briefly and see which one works best for your workflow. Some people prefer light mode for daytime use, while others find dark mode more comfortable during long work sessions. That's all it takes to change Asana board backgrounds through your default account theme settings. Just open your profile avatar, go to Settings, head to the Display tab, and choose Light, Dark, or Sync with System.